Good afternoon, everyone. Today's my topic is reproductive system. So, in this topic, we will discuss about the male and female reproductive system. Uh, Firstly, the primary sex hormone, which is responsible for the production of gametes or secrete the hormones. In which, in male, the testes are present. And in female the ovaries are present. In female the hormones which are present like estrogen and progesterone, and in male the testosterone is the primary sex hormone and the androgen is the secondary sex hormone. So next we will discuss about the reproductive system is further divided into two types, that is internal genitalia and external genitalia. Internal genitalia is simply said the organs which are present inside the body, and the external genitalia which are present the outside the body. Let's we will discuss about the male reproductive system. Male reproductive system it further classified into two types, that is internal genitalia and external genitalia. Reproductive system is divided into two types, that is main organ and accessory gland. Main organ is the part of reproductive system, and the accessory gland is not the part of reproductive system, but they are helps in the reproduction process. So the in male reproductive system, firstly the internal genitalia it include the penis and scrotum. First one is penis. It is responsible for, it is a common passageway for exits the urine and semen, in which after the penis, the second one is scrotum. Scrotum is a pouch like structure in which the testes are present. It is mainly responsible for the production of protection to the testes and maintain the temperature below the 3 degrees Celsius than body temperature. It also helps to maintain the temperature of testes. So it is the internal genitalia part of the male reproductive system. Second one is external. It is the external genitalia part of the male reproductive system. Second one is the internal genitalia. It includes the prostate gland, which is responsible for the secretion of prostatic fluid, which is a component of semen. Semen it includes the component like bulbourethral gland, as well as sperm, prostatic fluid, and seminal vessels. Second one is bladder. Bladder is simply said to restore the fluid, restore the urine, and exits out through the help of urethra. Urethra is a common passageway. Urethra is a passageway which exits the urine. Then next one is vas deferens. Vas deferens is also known as ductus deferens, which connect the testes to the bladder. So the next one is discuss about the accessory gland. In accessory gland, it includes the bulbourethral gland, prostatic gland, and seminal vessel. First one is prostatic gland, which is responsible for the production of activation of sperm. It produces the prostatic fluid, which contain the citrate, enzymes, PSD, etc. So second one is the bulbourethral fluid or bulbourethral gland, which is responsible for to neutralize the urine pH. It is also known as Cooper's gland. Then third one is seminal vessel. Seminal vessel which produces the seminal fluid. It includes the ascorbic acid, fructose, etc. So next we will discuss about the female reproductive system. The primary sex hormone of the female reproductive system is estrogen and progesterone, and the primary organ which are present in the female reproductive system is ovaries. Ovaries is mainly responsible for the production of ova or egg. It is present at the end of the fallopian tube. So it is the main organ of the female reproductive system. Next one is vagina. Vagina vagina help to vagina which are help to it is a which are helps to which are help in the which is responsible for the expansion and dilation. Then second one is the uterus which holds to the fetus and help to the help during the pregnancy. So next one is cervix is the part of lower part of the uterus, which is cervix after the cervix. Next one is fallopian tube is also known as oviduct, and so it is the parts of female reproductive system. It includes the fallopian tube, ovaries, vagina, uterus, etc. So next we will discuss about the diseases of reproductive system. It include prostatitis, that is inflammation of prostate gland. Then vaginitis, that is inflammation of vagina. Then hypergonadism, that is it simply said the body does not produce the sperm. Then second one is breast cancer, as well as other diseases also it includes. Then we will discuss about the diagnostic test. In diagnostic test it include the X-ray, bioscopy, chemotherapy, biopsy, ectoscopy, then CT scan, blood test, etc. Then the last one is the treatment of the reproductive system. It includes the antifungal drug, antibacterial drug, as well as